Hello there, Patum 3. Welcome back again to our math lesson. It's me again, Teacher Jane. And for today's topic, we are going to talk about comparing numbers. Okay? Comparing numbers. And before I forget, let me give this vocabulary from this topic. Okay? So the first word, compare. Compare. Next, equal. Equal. Not equal. Not equal. Fewer. Fewer. More. More. Smaller than. Smaller than. And greater than. Greater than. Alright. So what is compare? Let's focus on this word compare. What is compare? So compare means what is same and what is not the same with numbers. Okay? What is same and what is not the same with numbers. Alright. So again, do you remember this one? Yeah, who is this again? This is Ellie. Its name is Ellie. Remember Ellie, alligator. Always it's the bigger number or even the biggest. Okay? He wants to eat more. He wants to eat a lot because he is always hungry. He is hungry all the time. Okay, so this is a trick for you to easily remember the sign we are going to use in comparing numbers. Okay, how do we compare numbers? How do we compare numbers? So when we compare numbers, we always look. Okay, we always look at what is same and what is not the same, because two numbers sometimes can be, the one is either bigger, okay, and the other one is smaller. Okay, all right, let's go back to our board. So remember Ellie, the alligator. Okay, it wants to eat more. He is hungry. Alright. Now, here, so right there, comparing numbers. Okay? Okay. First, I'm gonna show you this sign for, maybe it's a review, right? Because we already done this when you were in Pratum 2. Okay? So this sign, what does it mean again? What comparison sign is this? So be careful when you write this. I noticed that some of you students wrote this sign just like this, which is not correct. Okay? This is not correct. And I also noticed some of you wrote like this. It's not correct also. So the correct sign is just like this. Okay? Slanting. This sign means unequal. Alright? Unequal. Or not equal. Unequal or not. The prefix un, okay, means not. We can use either of these two phrases, okay? And what about this sign? I know you know this. This is equal. Equal, right? Is equal to when we read, alright? And this sign What does it mean? This sign? This is alley. But two alley here. Okay? So this sign means is smaller than. Okay? You can see? Is smaller than. Alright? So your left hand. Okay? So your left hand means is smaller than. Okay? So this sign is smaller than. Actually, there are, I think, two, right? There are two names for this sign is smaller than, and we can also say less than. Okay? But commonly used is this, is smaller than. Alright? Okay. So next alley, we've got this, which means your right hand. Your right hand means greater than. Alright? That is the greater than sign. So for this, it has three names. Okay? The first is greater than, which is commonly used. Greater than, bigger than. Okay? Bigger than. And the other one is, yeah, M-O-R-E, more than. The word more than. Okay? So these three phrases here, they mean the same. Greater than, bigger than, more than. Alright? So these are our comparison symbols. Again, let's read. Unequal, not equal. This sign equal. This sign means is smaller than, less than. And we have also greater than, bigger than, more than. Alright. So in your textbook, page 7, letter C, comparing numbers. Now look at these two numbers. Which number is greater? Which one is greater? Greater or bigger or more? Which number is greater or bigger or more? Alright, so the first one, 3045, it has 4 digits. Okay? 3045 is a 4-digit number. So 3045. Okay? While 34,405 is a 5-digit number, which are 34405. Okay? So, meaning to say, 34,405 has more digits than 3,045. Alright? Now, when you compare number, first step is you count the number of digits in the number. Okay? So, the number that has more digit, the number of digit is the greater number. That is a tip, first tip. Alright? So meaning to say, therefore, 34,405 is greater than 3,045. Why? Again, 34,405 is a 5-digit, while the other number has only 4 digits. Okay? So, this number, 34,405, is greater than 3,045. Right? The question is greater. Which number is greater? Okay? So, using our phrase here, the phrase greater than, 34,405 is greater than 3,045. Alright? And using our comparison symbol, the alligator, we are going to use the sign. What sign is this? What sign is that? Greater than, right? This sign, greater than. How is this again? How do we use these signs, these two? How do we use this sign? Okay, remember, always remember alligator. Okay, it is always hungry and it wants to eat a lot, right? So open the mouth to the bigger number. Okay, open the mouth to the bigger number. Okay, you don't want to eat the smaller one. You always want the bigger or the biggest number. Okay, so that's it. Next. So here, we're gonna compare two numbers. Of course, two numbers. Which number is smaller? Now, by the way, when we compare, we compare two numbers. Okay? If we have only one number, we don't need to compare. Okay? We compare two or more than. 2 to 3, 4, 2 or more than numbers. Okay? So here we have the number 38,740. Alright? And the second number is 53,472. Right? Okay? What is the first tip again? You count. Okay? Count the number of digits in the number. Alright. So the first number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, right? Second number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So how is that? They have the same number of digits. Okay? What is the second tip? Second tip? What is the second tip? You look at the place value. Alright? Look at the place value and the digit value of the numbers. Okay? So first, it says here, both numbers are 5-digit numbers. So they have the same 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. 5 digits. Okay? The second tip, compare the 10,000s. Okay? So that's it. You look at the 10,000s place and then you compare the digits in that place value. Alright? So the first number, 38,740. What is the digit in the 10,000s place? It's 3 10,000s right there. 3 10,000s. Okay? What about here? In 53,472, what is the digit in the 10,000s? It's 5. Okay? 5 10,000s. Now, you compare this. 2 digits in the 10,000s place. 10,000, 3 10,000s and 5 10,000s. Which is smaller? We are looking for the smaller number. Okay? Which is smaller? Is it 3 or 5? Yes, 3 is smaller. That means 3 10,000s is smaller than 5 10,000s. Alright. So, therefore, we conclude that 38,000, I should say, 740 is smaller than, alright, is smaller than 53,472. Okay, using our symbol. Okay, show me your left hand. For you to remember, left hand is smaller than, and your right hand means greater than. Alright, and remember Ali. Ali doesn't want to eat the smaller one, the smaller number. He doesn't want to eat. He always wants to eat the bigger, okay, bigger number, which is 53,472. our sign. This one. Okay? Again, open. Open the mouth of your sign to the bigger number. Okay? Alright. Okay, next. Okay, next example. This is sometimes it's tricky, okay? Especially when some digits are the same, okay? Just like our next example, you see? Now this time again, which is smaller? Which is smaller? 75,428 or 75,345? Okay, which is smaller? Alright, so let's think about this. Which is smaller? Now, the first number, how many digits? 5. Second number, also 5. So they have the same. Both numbers are 5 digit. Okay? They are 5-digit numbers. Okay. Next. First, the second tip is compare the 10,000s. Okay? Look at the 10,000s. What's going on here? The 10,000s place are the same again. 7 10,000s and 7 10,000s. So how do we do that? Compare. You see? Compare the 10,000s. The digits are the same. 7 and 7. Okay. Now, go to the thousands place. Alright? If these are the same, you look at the thousands place. Alright? The thousands place. Compare the thousands. The digits are again the same. You see? 5,000s and 5,000s. How is that? 10,000s and thousands are the same. So, you are going to look at the hundreds place. Okay? Go to the hundreds place. Compare the hundreds. And you see we have here 400s and 300s. Now you compare. Which is smaller? Is it 400 or 300? What do you think? Is smaller? Which is smaller? 4 or 3? Of course, 3 is smaller, right? So that means this number is smaller, right, than this number. Alright? So 75,345 is smaller than 75,428. Okay? It's smaller. Using our sign, the smaller sign. Okay? That is our smaller sign. Okay? In comparing, always compare the number of digits in each number first. That is the first tip. Alright? Second, if they are the same, compare the digits in the largest place value. Okay? The largest here is the 10,000s place, right? Okay. If they are the same, then proceed with the next place value, right? If the 10,000s are the same, go to thousands. If the thousands are the same, go to hundreds. Okay? What about if the hundreds are the same? Then go to the tens until you reach the ones. Alright? Okay, let me give you an example. We are going to compare and then tell me the sign and we are going to read. Alright? Let me give you an example. Okay, that is our first number. Okay? While I'm writing, please read the number. Alright, there we go. So here, the first number, 88,215. Right? The second number, 88,205. Now, my question is, which number is smaller? Okay? Which number is smaller? Okay? Our tip, count. Okay? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits and 5 digits. Isn't it? Okay? Second tip. If they are the same, I mean, look at the 10,000s. It's 8 and 8. They are equal, the same. Okay? Next there, go to compare the next place value, which is the thousands. 8,000s, 8,000s. Again, they are the same. Okay? Now proceed to the next. Okay? It says that proceed with the next. Okay? With the next place value, 200s, 200. Again, they are the same. Right? Equal. Now proceed with the next, which is the tens. Okay? That means 1 tens and 0 tens. Which is smaller? Which is smaller? Of course, 0. Okay? 0 is smaller than 1. Alright? So using our symbol, the question is, which is smaller? Which number is smaller? Which is smaller here? Yeah, this one. So we're gonna write 88,205 is smaller. This is in sentence form. Okay? Is smaller than 88,215. This is in sentence form. Okay? Is smaller than. Now, using our comparison symbol, which is smaller here? Which sign is smaller? Is it this sign or this sign? Okay, this sign. Okay? Alright. So in numeral, so that's 88. And 88,215. Okay, so this is our sign. We always open the mouth of your sign to the bigger number. the bigger number. Just like that. Alright? Get it? Okay, let's read. I want you also read. Okay? Which is smaller? Right? Everybody? 88,205 is smaller than 88,215. Okay? That's our sign. Which is bigger or greater? 88,215 is greater than 88,205. This is the greater than sign. Okay? Smaller than sign. Alright? I hope you get it. For your activity, page 8 in your workbook, please answer 3 letters I, J, K. Okay? Please answer letter I, J, and K. Alright? Letter I, just tick. Tick the greater number only. Right? Look at this. Number 1, these 2 pairs. These 2 pairs of numbers. Which number is greater? And then you tick. Alright? Now, letter J, cross. Cross out the smaller number. Okay? Compare these 2 numbers and then cross. Which number is smaller? Alright? And letter K, fill in each blank with this sign. Okay? This sign greater than, smaller than, or the equal sign. Alright? Just look at the numbers carefully. Okay, so that is for today's lesson in Math 3 IEP class, and see you next time. Bye-bye.